Dear viewers, greetings. In this video, we are going to see the difference between the simple microscope and the compound microscope. This is the images of a simple microscope and the compound microscope. In the simple microscope, only one type of lens is present. But in compound microscope, three types of lenses are present. The one is the ocular lens. Second one is the objective lens with the three types of magnifications, and the third one is the condenser lens. And here the condenser lens is absent, but in the compound microscope the condenser lens is present. The simple microscope have only one adjustment, but in the compound microscope two types of adjustments are present. One is the coarse adjustment, the next one is the fine adjustment. And here the stage of the simple microscope is made up of the glass material, but in compound microscope the stage is made up of the metals, and the stage also contains the slide holders and stage adjustments, etc. Okay, this table shows the difference between, that is the major difference between the simple microscope and the compound microscope. The simple microscope was invented and designed by a scientist, Anton von Leeuwenhoek, who is called as the father of microbiology, in the year 1670. The compound microscope was invented and designed in the year 1950 by the scientists Hans and Zacharias Janssen. In simple microscope, the only one type of lens is present, that is the ocular lens is present to magnify the objects. But in a compound microscope, two types of lenses are present to magnify the materials. They are the ocular lens or eyepiece, and the objective lenses with the different magnifications like 10x, 40x or 100x. Regarding the structure, the simple microscope structure is small, hollow, and cylindrical in appearance and attached to the base and is used to hold the microscope. But in compound microscope, the structure is the arm of the compound microscope is curved and is used to hold the microscope. Next, the simple microscope contains a single eyepiece, but the compound microscope contains a single eyepiece or double eyepiece. The compound microscope with the single eyepiece is called as a monocular microscope, and the compound microscope with two eyepieces are called as the binocular microscopes. In the simple microscope, the light source is natural, but in compound microscope, the light source is also natural, and sometimes the illuminator or electrical light is used as a source of light. In simple microscope, the mirror is concave reflective type, but in compound microscope, the mirror is plane at one side and concave at the other side. The condenser lens is absent in the simple microscope. In compound microscope, the condenser lens is present, which is used to adjust the intensity for magnification of the object. In simple microscope, the total magnification is limited to the magnification of the single lens used, because in the simple microscope, a single lens is present. So the total magnification is limited in case of a simple microscope. In compound microscope, the total magnification is the multiplication of the eyepiece and the objective lens magnifications. For example, if the eyepiece is 15x magnification means, for example, the eyepiece with 15x magnification and the objective lens with 100x magnification results in the magnification of 1500 times of the object. So here the total magnification is the multiplication of the eyepiece and objective magnifications. Hence, here the magnification of the compound microscope is higher. The magnification power of the simple microscope is up to 300x, and the magnification power of the compound microscope is up to 2000x. And in simple microscope, adjustment of the magnification is not available. But in compound microscope, the adjustment of magnification is available by means of three types of optical lenses like 10x, 40x and 100x. The simple microscope has only one adjustment screw that is used to move the limb up and down for focusing an object. But in compound microscope, two types of adjustments are present. The one is the coarse adjustment, that is for rapid focusing of an object, and the second one is the fine adjustment, that is for fine and sharp focusing of the object. Regarding the applications, the simple microscope can only be used in a simple way such as enlarging small letters while reading, but the compound microscope has a wide range of applications such as studying the structure of different objects like plant cells, animal cells and bacterial morphology and other morphological observations of the living organisms. That's all about the differences between the simple and compound microscope. Thank you for your patience and support, and thank you for listening. Thank you.